Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. We are going to be making mascara today. So if you like this video and find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we'll need an empty mascara container, some activated charcoal, bentonite clay, aloe vera gel, and vegetable glycerin. And so we'll use 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal. And then we will be also using another teaspoon of bentonite clay, half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin, and we will use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, as well as an additional 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And we'll just mix it up until it's nice and smooth. At this point, we'll just use the syringe and insert the mascara into the tube. And another method, if you don't have a syringe, is the piping method, but it's not as easy. I would definitely recommend having a syringe on hand. And then we'll just put that little cap in there, and then insert your wand, and you're good to go. And so this is a vegetable glycerin mascara. It's not oil-based. I've been wearing it all day today and it's stayed on really well. It hasn't smeared or smudged. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe.